They're, they only have 3 registers open and they got so many people in line. And you can see all that. They only have 3 registers open and this guy's sitting here running his mouth. It's ridiculous. Thank you. Now we're ready to check out. Alright, let's check out. Alright. So 2 waters. 1 cereal. Napkins. Milk. Soda. Soda. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hey, good morning.
Why wouldn't it scare the 3, 4, 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know why they only have that many registers. All right. I got my stuff. I'm headed out the door. It was a crazy morning. They had shortages of cash registers. Yeah, I guess this morning, people called out of work today. So I don't understand. There's jobs in America, but people, I guess, called out because they didn't want to come to work today. Okay, well, it's a job.